So the sound that the Lincoln is making, it's going to try to get under the hood and see if I could capture it while it's doing it under the hood. But it seems to have stopped now that I'm sitting still. Let's see if it does it again. It only does it at real slow speeds. It sounded like some sort of it didn't sound like it was the air compressor for the air suspension. It sounded like something else. I just can't imagine what it would be. We'll see if it does it again. It wasn't doing it at all on the highway. Now, I did just feel... Oh, you know what? I think I know what it is. I think the thing that comes on for the traction control, I think it's acting up. Because if I recall correctly, that's actually the same sound that it makes when it's kicking in. So maybe there's a speed sensor going out or something like that, and it's kicking that in. Because I just now, when I came to a stop there, could feel the ABS like kicking in when it wasn't supposed to. Like it didn't realize that. So I don't know if that's just a dirty sensor or something. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it's going to do it again.